In order to cancel your Snapchat Premium subscription, follow the steps. If you're using your iPhone, open the Settings app on your iPhone and then tap on the name at the top to access your Apple ID and select Subscriptions, find Snapchat Plus and select Cancel Subscription and confirm your choice. Your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle. And for Android, go to Google Play Store. From here, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Once you do that, select Payments and Subscriptions, that is between Notification and Offers and Play Protect. Tap on it. Now find and select. Then tap on Subscriptions, that is between Payment Methods, Budget and History. And once you're there, find and select Snapchat Plus, and then tap on Cancel Subscription and confirm your choice. Your subscription will stay active until the billing period ends. And if you cannot find the subscription in your app store, you can check the account you used to subscribe. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.